What is up, guys? This is Moritz here from Section Store once again, and today we will be having a look at this About Us section right here. It does come with those three images right here. You can add a little title of the person which is getting represented in the image, has a little sub headline, and then you can add this quote too. And you can also add another main headline to the whole thing, and I'll show you how you can customize the whole thing to your likings, exactly colors, whatever you prefer. And yeah, I just say we jump right into it. And the first thing I actually did for it was got the Section Store app in the Shopify app store, the one you can see right here. Section Store is a component library with over 200 fully customizable components. It is completely free. It's a non-subscription app, and some of our sections do come with a little fee. But yeah, I'll just say we look for the one we're gonna be working on today. So here we can just use our search bar. I type in About Us. That is the one. That's a little demo of the thing. So yeah, as you can see right here, it does come with a one-time charge of $9. It means if you bought it once, you will own it forever. But at the end of the day, you will not need a developer. You're gonna save yourself a lot of time and money and still end up with a really nice looking section, which will hopefully increase your conversion rate in the long term. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good deal. So yeah, let's head back to the My Sections area of the app, where we can find a collection of all the sections we own already. And this one I want to add to the theme I'm using. It does work on every theme. So I'm using the Dawn Live theme. So I just simply click on that and it's getting installed. And then on the right corner here, you can just open it up with the Customize In button, which will open up the theme editor. And of course, I did use it for the About Us page. So we're just gonna navigate to that one. About Us. That is the one. It's just a little test store of mine where I tried new sections before I actually implement it into real stores of one of clients or whatever. So that is the one you saw in the beginning of the video. And I'm just gonna show you how the default version would look like. So if I type in About Us, it would come like that. So I'm just gonna use the one I already have in the store. So I'll just get rid of that. I think it's a bit easier if I just explain it to you like that. Let's hover on over to the one. Yeah, that is the one. So here we have three items. Those three items represent those three blocks right here, of course. So if I click on one of the items, you can see an image right here. So here I could select a different image. If I want someone else in there, I could just chuck that photo. So yeah, now this is Tina Johnson, or maybe this is Maria Johnson now, her sister. Here you can see what her role is, former lead food writer. Maybe we do food tester instead of writer. It's all getting updated live. And here we can see a little quote, and maybe she's been already working 12 years on this whole mission now. And I'm going to show you that it's also working on mobile. It's fully responsive. We optimized it for every device. So this is working perfectly fine as well. You think it does really look nice on mobile too. So yeah, this is how you can customize those blocks. And if you click on the main block itself, you can do customizations to the whole thing itself. So for example, I could make the main heading a little bit bigger. I could also add a little curve to it, which I do think looks quite funky. So I'm going to show you right here. We got to save it up for it to actually update. Yeah, now we can see the little curve, and it perfectly transitions with the little curve of the images as well. Here we can decide how many items we want to have per row. We could also do 4, but like that, we would have to add another one. So I'm just going to stick with 3 in this case. But if you have more than 3 and you select 3, it's just going to wrap in the next row. So they would get displayed right here. So yeah, here we can decide the item with 2. If we want to have them a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller, whatever you prefer. We have a bunch of different options how you could display those. So if you want to have them in a portrait mode, but I do think the oval is looking pretty nice. It's something unique, and your store will stand out for sure. We could also hide the images, which I think would be a bit sad, because it's actually a really nice way of getting them displayed. And yeah, bunch of other sizes we can change right here. Maybe if you would want to make the title a little bit bigger or whatever, you can change it in mobile, of course, as well. But I'm not going to get too much into detail because I don't want to waste your time on that. I'm just going to show you how you could also change some colors in that. So if you would want to make that one in red, that is also possible. And all the colors are changeable, of course. And here we could add some paddings. So this is getting a bit more space from the top section right here. But I just say we save it all up. Lazy load is activated as well. So the images don't take out that much speed of your online store. So this is optimized as well. And we're just gonna open it up in the live view and have a look at it. Let's navigate on over to the About Us section. And here we do have the section we just worked on. I think it is looking really nice. As you can see here, we customized the color, added that little curve, and here we still have the rest of our blocks with the changed image and name. Added some text right here. But yeah, that's pretty much that. I hope you guys found it useful, and I'm already curious what super nice sections you will build with this one. And yeah, if you have any questions or whatsoever, always feel free to reach out to me in the comment section. And with that being said, have a good one and peace out.